If by mistake you have deleted some contacts, then worry not, as there's a way to restore them, and here we will tell you how to do that. Google Contacts is the go-to contacts app for most of the Android smartphones. The app automatically takes backup of the recently saved contact details on the linked Google account, including their email IDs and other information in case they are available. Restoring a deleted contact from Google account is pretty simple. All you need is to remember when you have deleted the contact, whether it was one day ago, a week ago, or a month ago. The Google Contacts website has a built-in feature that allows user to undo delete changes. Also, note that the same can be done using the mobile browser on a smartphone, and the feature works on both Android as well as iOS. Open contact.google.com on any browser and log in with the same Google account linked to the smartphone. The direct link is in the description below, you can check it out. Now tap on the gear icon from the top right corner and choose the option that says undo changes. Now choose the right time frame that includes the deleted contact and click on the undo button. And yeah, the contact is restored. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.